Hey guys, Mike here, and this is the iPad 2 joystick. It says it's the ultimate in control of your iPad games. So, let's jump right in. Let's take it out the box. See what we got. Okay. So we have here a velvet bag. And we have instructions. We attach it with our suction cups. It's spring loaded. To install the ultimate joystick for the iPad and the iPad 2, you slightly moisten the suction cups and you place down on the corner of the glass and you gently press down to hold the joystick in place. This is the joystick installed on the iPad 2. I highly recommend the iPad joystick if you're a gamer. If you're a casual gamer, this is for you. But if you don't want to have to carry around an extra piece of hardware, stay with the iPad as is. I hope this review was very helpful. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.